I'm a college completed fresher. I am having more interest to learn UI and UX design. How do I start? One of the student, he was asking this question in the comment section. So even though I had given the very short reply on the comment, but I am going to explain in a detailed manner on this. So in today's topic, I am going to explain how to start UI UX design. So let's get started. Hello all, I am Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. So if you are watching this video or this Aspira design channel first time, I am going to introduce myself little elaborate manner. I am Rambal. I am having around 24 years of experience. I am running a design studio, that is a product design studio, almost 15 years. Also, I am running this Aspira design education for almost 7 years. So here I had mentored so far 10,000 plus students. In my entire career, I helped the brands to launch almost 300 plus products. So now we'll dive into the topic. So the topic is how to start UX and UI design. So being a fresher, you have a lot of confusions. The reason is too much of turmoil in the market. So I am going to start with the very simple steps. All right. So the first step, you have to learn UX design. So UX design is fundamentally how the things are working. You need to understand the human emotions and their behaviors. For that, you need to learn a couple of psychology oriented stuff. Also, you can learn UX processes. So the UX processes are a design thinking process, and also they're following double diamond method. So these are the things where you can be able to learn from online. So which is available as a free courses in YouTube. Also, you can be able to learn from Udemy. So this is a step one, right? Suppose if you have more confusions on this kind of a thing, then what you can do, you can dive into the step two. Step two is very simple and straightforward. You can start learning design so that you can easily connect with the design tools. So I'm going to share the design tool name called Figma. So I'm sharing the link on the description. Go and check it out. So you can sign up on Figma, then you can start practicing it. So even I had created one detailed tutorial series for Figma for beginners. So that link also I'm going to share in the description. You can check it out. So in that series of tutorials, what I have done, I'm explaining what is Figma, how to use Figma design tool, the entire interfaces. Also, I was creating one login screen from scratch. So I'll explain everything in a step-by-step manner. So please go and check it out. So if you are like that and if you can able to understand that, then you can take it forward. Right? So these are step two. Even in the step two stage, you can learn Figma in some other places as well. So there are a lot of trainers and the teachers, they are sharing the Figma knowledge on YouTube. So you can check it out those tutorials where you can able to start learning on it. Step 3, you have to practice more design. So I am going to share one link. It's called collectui.com. So that is also I am going to share in the description. You can go and check it out. Collect UI is basically they are organizing the UI design and they are keeping that design into the categories manner. For example, sign up screens, checkout screens. So everything they keep it in a different categories, and each category they are collecting the beautiful designs as a repository. So what you have to do, they have around 120 plus categories. So each category you can take one or two designs and you have to do the exact tracing of the design. Why we have to do? So being an art form, so it could be any form of art, we have to reproduce. That is the first step. For example, if you are a musician or if you are a painter or if you are an artist, what you have to do, you have to exactly reproduce the existing one. So that is a step one, right? So that is what here also you have to do the same thing. So being an UI designer, what you have to do, first you have to start tracing the design. Exactly, you have to reproduce the design and you have to start with this. All right. So now you are completing the step 3. So now we are diving into the step 4. In the step 4 stage, you have to build the portfolio. There are two popular portfolio websites are available in the market. One is a Dribbble, another one is a Behance. So what is portfolio? So portfolio is basically a collection of your projects. So what is a project? The project is basically you are going to working on whatever that UX, UI design, you are going to explain in a detailed manner with a visually represented document. That is called the project. So you have to have more projects and you are going to keep that into one place. That is called portfolio. For example, if you are working on train booking applications or bus ticket booking application, right? So that is a UI design part. Then that is going to be the project. So if you are working on somewhere around 5 to 10 screens, from login screen to booking a ticket and checkout, so the entire process, this is a one project. So you have to keep that into one place. So for that you can use Dribbble or Behance. So this is one project in your portfolio. So now you got to understand what is portfolio. So now you have to start building the portfolio. So this is a step 4. Alright. So I was explaining about all the 4 steps. So each and every step what I will do, I am going to give a detailed demonstrations and walkthrough in my upcoming videos. So this is a series of videos. Once you complete all these 4 steps and still you love UX and UI design, then you can go to the step 5. Step 5 is you have to find the appropriate institute and you have to join. So why should you join an institute? So the reason is very simple. You have to learn in a very structured manner, and there is a mentor. The mentor will be guiding you from the starting to completion of the projects, and where you can able to learn everything on a detailed manner and logical manner. I hope you like this topic, and if you feel that this is very useful and meaningful to you, please share it with your friend circles and also subscribe this channel so that whatever the video we are uploading, immediately it will be coming to your timeline. Alright, I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye.